Facebook, it's Machine Monday.
So today we're going to show you some of the features of the Factory Cat model Micro HD Scrubber. Micro HD Scrubber is one of the smaller Factory Cat scrubbers. Comes in disc and cylindrical. This is a cylindrical brush model, allows the machine to scrub and sweep at the same time. One of the unique features of the Micro HD is the tank-in-tank design. That is, this is one molded plastic tank. The outer jacket is hollow for the solution water, and the inner tub collects all the dirty water. A few features of the recovery tank. The first is the see-through lid, allowing the operator to note when the recovery tank is full of dirty water and if any foam is coming up from the squeegee. As the dirty water is collected from the squeegee, it goes through this catch basket so it can filter out any debris. We have a foam baffle to keep foam away from the pickup to the vacuum motor. First, we have the ball float and the screen, and then a filter, all in an effort to protect the vacuum motor from foam and debris. At the dashboard, button on the handle for forward, toggle for reverse. Over center handle raises and lowers the squeegee, turns on the vacuum motor. Key switch for power. Switch controls the water flow to the brush deck, down pressure of the brush deck. This turns on the brush deck. This controls your speed. To the side we have drain hose and a solution hose to tell you how much water is in the solution tank. Removing the door on the brush deck exposes the brush and the drive for the front brush. We also have the hopper to collect debris. Due to Factory Cat's unique tank-in-tank design, that allows the hoe works to lift back and expose the components of the machine. You've got the brush motors, actuator, battery set, and tucked up underneath here is the vacuum motor, protected from all the dirty water.